cruise capital of the world, diver's paradise, capital of Latin America, southernmost point in the United States. They are one of the world's most popular vacation spots with trendy nightlife, beaches, art galleries, and world-class hotels. They are also famous for water sports. Hope you might have guessed it by now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about two popular vacation destinations, their short history, interesting facts, places to visit, things to do, and how to visit. But before I begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be telling you about Miami and Key West. We went to Miami and Key West in 2014. At that time, we were living in Jacksonville, Florida, so we went by car and reached there in the late evening. Next morning, we started for the Miami beach. While you enjoy the pictures from the streets of Miami, let me tell you its short history. Spaniards in the 16th century found a village of Tequesta Indians on the site. The village might be around 2000 years old. Spanish ceded the area to Great Britain in 1763 but regained it in 1783. After the United States acquired Florida from Spain in 1821, Fort Dallas was built as a base during the Seminole War. Miami was incorporated in 1896. Miami is primarily known for being a popular vacation destination. The city has many beautiful beaches and a thriving nightlife, and is known for being a center for trade, commerce, entertainment, pop culture, and arts. Everyone all excited to reach the beach. Since we went there for the 4th of July, the beach was very crowded. So kids decided to make sand castle away from the crowd. You know, the sand in Miami Beach is imported. The pristine sand are probably from the Bahamas or other beaches in the Caribbean. Miami is also known as the cruise capital of the world, as Miami has the largest cruise ship port in the world. After spending the day on the beach, in the evening we decided to see the 4th of July fireworks, but got stuck in the traffic because of this drawbridge. Day 2 ended with this. Next day we went to aquarium. We all enjoyed the dolphin show there. While you enjoy rest of the pictures from the aquarium, let me tell you some facts about Miami. Miami got its name from one of the tribes that lived there, Miami, which means big water. It is the only US city that was founded by a woman, Juliet Huddle, a local businesswoman. Miami is home to the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture. It was once a mangrove swamp, and the land we know was mostly man-made. Suntan lotion was invented in Miami in 1944. Miami grew from having a population of 1,000 to 5 million in the short span of a century. The nickname Magic City comes from its rapid growth being like magic. You know, buildings here can't have basements, as the land is just 6 to 9 feet above the sea level. Also, Burger King opened its first location in Miami. This brings to the nap time of my younger one. There was a section to play in the water, and my elder one had fun over there. After visiting aquarium, we went to South Beach. On the way, we saw this city's skyline, which is third tallest in the US. After visiting that overcrowded Miami beach, we found this beach very peaceful and calm. Here they got to have some fun time. Ocean, the waves, the shoreline, they all look so amazing. This brings to the end of day 3. The next day we planned to have a day trip to Key West. We started early while our baby was still sleeping. And the drive to Key West is just heavenly. Key West, a US island city, is a part of Florida Keys archipelago. It is United States' southernmost point, lying roughly 90 miles north of Cuba. It's famed for its pastel-hued conch-style houses. It is known more for its coral reefs, destination for diving and snorkeling, than for its beaches. Key West is famous for water sports, lively nightlife, beaches, historic sites, and Duval Street and energetic strips of shops, bars, and cafes. Since it was a day trip for us, we wanted to make the most of it, so we rushed to the destination, that is Key West, as we have booked our tickets for snorkeling and parasailing. But later realized that this drive was worth giving some more time. There was long stretches of bridge from one island to another island. This one is still sleeping. The other bridge you see in the picture is the old bridge, which is now broken and not in use. And this is my most favorite part of the drive, long stretch of bridge which seems to be ending in the ocean. Thank God we got a break because of our little one, who was hungry and her diaper needed to be changed. So we actually got to spend some time and feel the beauty of this beautiful place. All thanks to her. Finally we reached, and this one got to play around for some time. After this we took the boat for snorkeling. They're all set to go. Everyone busy snorkeling. And this one was happy for the sole reason of moving around. Next we took the boat for parasailing. You can see the mixed feeling of excitement and fear. But all set, and here they go. Higher, higher, and so high.
Stand up. Good job. How was that? How was that, guys?
They are so happy after the experience. Me and my partner was put in water several times. This brings to the end of day 4. That's the southernmost point for taking pictures. Next day we had to go back to Jacksonville. So before going, we thought we'll do a children's museum. And it was a really big museum. And this was the very first children's museum visit in US for my girls, and they really loved the pretend play there. And with this, a fun-filled trip ended. Since we could not do all that Miami and Key West has to offer, so I have put them together for you to have a look. So, if you either love beaches, water sports, history, or love to visit national parks, Miami and Key West has all to offer you. You can either drive or take a flight to the following airports to visit Miami. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share with friends and family. Thanks for watching.